In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes on the Notion app. 5 minutes. Start by logging into Notion on your desktop or mobile device so everything syncs across your workspace. Once you're in, head to the Templates section and search for note taking. Templates give you instant structure, so pick one that matches your style, meeting notes, class notes, or a simple journal, and duplicate it into your workspace. You can always tweak it later. If you prefer building from scratch, create a new page, give it a clear title, add an icon and a cover for quick visual recognition, and then use /commands to format quickly. Typing H1 adds a big heading, while bulleted list creates a clean list. Think of every piece of content as a block you can rearrange. Hover to grab the handle and move it where it belongs. Now add your content and structure. Begin with a simple overview at the top, what the note is about and why it matters, then break the rest into sections using headings. Keep paragraphs short and use lists for clarity. Press the /key to discover powerful blocks. Use our toggle to create collapsible sections for details you don't need to see all the time. Try call out to highlight key takeaways or action items. You can insert visuals with #image and keep tasks visible with his checkbox, so your note can double as a mini to-do list. If you like a classic notebook layout, type columns and drag blocks into 2 or 3 columns. This is great for side-by-side comparisons, summaries on the left and details on the right. For quick formatting, type a dash, then space to make bullet points, or type brackets like this, open and close, to create checkboxes you can tick off. To keep notes organized long-term, use databases and properties. Create a notes database and add properties such as status, tags, source, and date so you can filter and sort later. With linked databases, you can display that same notes database on other pages like a dashboard while keeping the data in one place. It's the same information, just shown in different contexts. Build views of your database to see only what you need. A board by status, a table grouped by project, or a list filtered by topic. Switch views as your workflow changes. Finally, keep a simple quick notes page for fleeting thoughts. Capture ideas fast, then drag them into your main database when they're ready to be organized. With these steps, your Notion notes stay structured, searchable, and easy to maintain.